Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI.
I use a travel mug every single day, even when I'm not leaving my house. So I wanted to find one that for sure wouldn't leak and that was also very easy to drink out of. This one from Hestiasko has been absolutely perfect. I love that the lid folds flat, so it's not going to get in your way. There is also a rim to show you where to fill to make sure that it will stay leak proof, even if you have a tiny human that is stealing your coffee and shaking it all around. This is amazing and it never leaks, which I really love. It is such a nice look. I love that it has this grip on it, so it makes it really easy to hold. And it just looks really pretty. I love drinking out of this mug and it keeps my drinks warm. It's also great for on the go, even in the bouncy stroller, which I've had a lot of issues with before. It stays non-leaking. I love that they have many other colors too.
Whether you need a mug for on the go or you like to keep your coffee warm while you're at home and you have kids that spill your drinks, I highly recommend this travel mug. I use it every single day and they have so many different color options. It's awesome. I really like it and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.